Every year on February 14th, people exchange cards, candy or flowers with their special Valentine. Today, Valentine's Day is big business. Foot traffic in malls is like no other day, restaurants are full and liquor stores hit record profits. It originated as a Christian feast day honoring a martyr named Valentine, and through later folk traditions it has also become a significant cultural, religious and commercial celebration of romance and love in many regions of the world. Valentine's Day is non-existent in Islam, for good reason too. It has nothing to do with worshipping or thanking God. It has pagan roots that trace to the Roman festival of Lupercalia. Valentine's Day represents for the Christians, a celebration of adultery and prostitution, and those who go out on this day are prostitutes. It reflects lust, unlawful passion and adultery. Many radicals share for this day to brand it with a new label and link it to Christianity. Valentine is a Christian holiday. If Muslims celebrated it, it would be like celebrating Easter. Do Muslims think it's okay to celebrate Easter? Really don't think so. So why would Muslims think celebrating Valentine's Day is permissible? It just makes no sense at all. According to the fundamental teachings of Islam, Valentine's Day is not allowed because it is not an Islamic celebration. Islam places profound importance on love and relationships, emphasizing compassion, respect, and mutual understanding between spouses. The Quran and Hadiths offer timeless guidance on fostering healthy relationships, prioritizing emotional connection, and maintaining the sanctity of marriage. For instance, Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, emphasized kindness and affection towards spouses, affirming the significance of love within marital bonds. Therefore, from the Islamic perspective, celebrating Valentine's Day is considered forbidden. Many Muslims believe that participating in Valentine's Day celebrations contradicts Islamic teachings and may compromise the values of modesty and piety upheld in Islam. In essence, the observance of Valentine's Day is often viewed as a cultural or religious tradition that is incompatible with Islamic principles. In conclusion, it is essential to recognize that from the Islamic standpoint, celebrating Valentine's Day is considered impermissible. It is imperative that Muslims who hold their Islamic faith dear do not participate in such celebrations. To uphold the sanctity of religion, Muslims must refrain from engaging in any activities that go against their beliefs and principles. By abstaining from Valentine's Day festivities and embracing the teachings of Islam, Muslims uphold their commitment to living in accordance with divine principles. Love, in its true essence, transcends the confines of a single day or celebration, encompassing a continuous expression of care, compassion, and devotion within the bounds of faith.